Cheeseburger, smash burger or hamburger, I'll show you how to make the perfect burger recipe right at home. With this easy method, your cheeseburger will be tender, crispy, packed with flavor and sure to impress everyone. First, put some butter in a non-stick frying pan and melt it over a low to medium heat. Spread it evenly over the entire base of the pan, making sure it coats every corner for even cooking. Place the rolls cut side down so that they can soak up the butter. The fat is an excellent flavor carrier. Move the buns around the pan so that they brown evenly and get a crisp golden crust. Turn them over and toast them briefly on the other side as well. As soon as the sesame seeds turn golden brown, your buns are perfectly toasted. They should be crispy and golden, just like this. Looks great, right? For the patties, use 250 grams or 8.8 ounces each of minced beef and pork. Form even balls and make sure to press them with little pressure so that they stay nice and loose. The meat should have a fat content of at least 20% and a maximum of 30%, as the fat makes the burger incredibly juicy. Heat some sunflower oil in the iron skillet. Place a ball of meat in it, cover it with a piece of baking paper and then press it down lightly. Use a burger press to flatten the patty for even cooking. If you don't have one, just use a pot like we did. It works just as well. Cook the meat over high heat until the Maillard reaction creates a rich, delicious crust. Don't forget to season it with salt. And of course, freshly ground black pepper is a must. Flip it and cook it on the other side. Spread the cocktail sauce on the buns. You can find our homemade recipe below in the description. Give it a try and see how good it is. Remove the patty from the pan and place it directly to the toasted bun. Top it with a delicious slice of cheddar or any cheeses that melts well. Melt it with a kitchen torch. If you don't have one, leave the burger in the pan. Put the cheese on top, cover it with a lid and let it melt for 1-2 minutes with the heat off. Spread the fresh onions on top of the burger. A few chilies will give it just the right kick. Thin slice of tomato, they bring freshness and juiciness. Tomatoes can be bland, so make sure to salt them well. Add a little more cocktail sauce, close the lid and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, so YouTube recommends us to more people. Thanks for watching and see you next time.